NASA made history overnight with the launch of a mission that sounds like science fiction, but aims to protect our planet from a very real threat, a devastating asteroid strike. For the first time, a NASA spacecraft will try to knock an asteroid off course. Mark Strassmann shows us why this planetary defense mission is so critical.
Look out. In the 1998 sci-fi thriller Armageddon, an asteroid the size of Texas is on a collision course with planet Earth.
The United States government just asked us to save the world.
And actor Bruce Willis jumps in to save us all.
You're going to remote detonate the bomb. So in Hollywood, they blow it up.
Right, you don't want to blow it up because that doesn't change the direction of all the material. It's still coming at you, it's just buckshot instead of a rifle bullet.
Lyndley Johnson ought to know.
Yeah, well, I'm the real Bruce Willis.
You are. He is NASA's real-life planetary defense officer, trying to find asteroids in our solar system before they find us. More than 27,000 near-Earth asteroids, seen here in blue, have been identified so far. About 10,000 of them look large enough to cause damage if they were ever to strike Earth.
Smaller size asteroids, even as small as a few hundred feet in size, if they were to impact, particularly in a populated area, it would be a natural disaster on the order of anything that we've ever dealt with.
In 2013, a meteor just 60 feet across exploded over Russia, injuring more than 1,600 people.
As it now stands, how vulnerable is the Earth to one of these objects?
To a large object, there's currently nothing to stop it.
Liftoff.
But NASA just launched Earth's first planetary defense mission, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART.
DART is a spacecraft that's purposely going to crash into an asteroid.
Planetary scientist Nancy Chabot is the DART coordination lead. Near Baltimore, the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory built the spacecraft.
So this is Didymos.
Chabot showed us DART's test target, a harmless double asteroid nearly 7 million miles away. Didymos is about 2,500 feet across. Next fall, DART will target Dimorphos, its smaller moon, an asteroid roughly the size of the Washington Monument.
The DART spacecraft is going to come in at 15,000 miles per hour and hit it pretty much head on here.
An impact that would slow this asteroid's orbit by about 1%. But the tactic could make a hypothetical Earthbound asteroid miss.
Small nudge changes its position over time so that the Earth and the asteroid wouldn't be on a future collision course.
Bump it ever so slightly and knock it off course, remove the threat.
Correct. But luckily, there are no known hazards in the next 100 or so years. But we actually haven't found all of the asteroids yet, which is why it makes sense to be ready in case you needed to.
In fact, scientists believe they've found fewer than half of all near-Earth asteroids big enough to cause devastation. Of course, Hollywood could spot the next threat from the sky anytime.
The two halves are going to miss us by 400 miles.
For CBS Mornings, Mark Strassmann, Laurel, Maryland.
And if anyone needs a grade school reminder, an asteroid killed the dinosaurs. And it's believed, that an asteroid of that size hits once every 15 million years. I don't know where we are in that timeline, but I want to win that reality TV show, okay?
So you're just pushing this on everybody's table. One more thing to worry about.
Don't worry about it. Just root for those guys. The planetary defense officer is my hero for 2021.
I think we're safe.
For now.
But Tony,
your kids,
it has happened before.
Right.
It has happened before.
But we've been around for less than 1 million years, folks.
Oh, yes, and I want to keep it that way.
Okay. That's what the dinosaurs said, too.
It's for the long term, Michelle.